Hi there, I'm Chris from Digisist, and welcome to this quick training session on connecting your existing QuickBooks Payments account to your new QuickBooks Online account. At Digisist, we're all about making your accounting processes seamless and stress-free. If you've already been using QuickBooks Payments, you're just a few steps away from having everything synced and ready to go in your new QBO setup. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process, and we'll have a short demonstration directly from QuickBooks to show you exactly how it's done.
To start, go to Settings, Account and Settings, and then the Payments tab. You might see other places around QuickBooks where you can sign up for payments as well, but you can always find it here. Select Learn More to sign up. If you have a merchant account with Intuit and want to connect it to a new account, you can do that here. Once you've been approved, go back to the Payments tab. This is where you can manage your payments settings anytime and change any info if you have to. If you want to sign up for instant deposit, you can do that here. And if you want to turn on payments dispute protection to protect your company from chargebacks, you can turn that on here.
And that's it. You're all set with connecting your QB Payments account to QuickBooks Online. Once everything is linked up, you can start processing payments just like before. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@digisist.com. Thanks so much for watching, and happy bookkeeping.